sorry kaayo, dili gyud ko maayo, mutimaan og ngan. So basically, kaayo, it's like very sorry. Dili gyud ko maayo. It means basically, I'm terrible. Okay? So, dili gyud, dili maayo. Basically, dili maayo is terrible, or you are not good at something. Okay? Dili maayo. It could be not good, or you are, it depends on the context. In this way, in this sentence, the context is, I'm not good at something. Okay? So I'm terrible of what? With names. With names here is, names is ngan. Okay? So mutimaan is to remember. Basically, you don't have a good memory. And in this case, you are referring to names. So, dili gyud ko maayo